Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are well and doing also well, doing homework also well. Now, we have started a new chapter, that is measurement of time. Measurement of time can be taken different units we are using to measuring time. Calendar, clock, watch and day, night. All these are units of time, but here in this chapter we will learn only about clock. Clock and how does a clock help us, that we have learned little bit in the previous exercises. Now you will learn how we will observe the clock, how we will know that what time the clock is showing us. That we will learn now in a better way. So let's start. You can see here that one clock's outline is given, nothing is there, but we will learn how a clock tells us time. What is the question given? Observe how does a clock help us to know the time. First, we will put number or draw the numbers or write the numbers in the clock. First, let me write outline of a clock, center, dots are given, and here in the straight way we will write 12, straight way 6. This is the way we have to draw correct clock. Here also imagine a straight line and you write here 3, here you write 9, then automatically all number will come. From here you start equal distance, 1, 2, 3 is already there, 4, then 5, already 6 is written here, then 7, 8, already 9 is written, 10 and 11. Okay, so this way you have already learned how to draw the clock. The same thing we have done again. Now, time we will show. As you know, in a clock, there are 3 hands that you have learned. One is small hand, that is hour hand. One is longer hand, that is minute hand. And one more hand, that is second hand. So, you will draw that. First, let me show you the time. We will write here. Yes. Yes. Okay. So you can see here small hand is at 6 and longer hand is in 12 and second hand is moving. So if I ask you, you will say that the clock is showing now the time 6 o'clock, isn't it? So if we write about a clock, what we will write? Yes, we can write about clock. There are 2 hands. No, sorry, 3 hands. There are 3 hands. Fixed at the center of the clock, isn't it? This is the structure you can say. There are 3 hands. One is minute hand, other is hour hand, other is second hand. All are fixed in the center of the clock. So there are 3 hands fixed at the center of the clock. Now in second line you can write the small hand tells us about hour, okay, and three hands. The small hand, this is the small hand. It tells us about the hour, how many hours. It tells us about hour and the longer hand. This is the longer hand. It tells us about minute and one also second hand. Second hand shows us about seconds. This is the second hand. Okay, this is about clock. Now, if I ask you what is the time, you will say that it is 6 o'clock. So, you write there. In this clock is showing the time. The clock is showing the time 6 o'clock. Isn't it? The clock is showing the time 6 o'clock. Why it is 6 o'clock? Because when long hand is at 12 and small hand is whatever may be the number, it is in 6, so it is 6 o'clock. Always you have to remember, when the shorthand will be in any number and longhand will be at 12, then that time will show, the clock will show that time only. Like it is showing 6 o'clock. Why? Small hand is 6 on 6 and long hand is at 12. So the time is 6 o'clock. So the clock is showing the time 6 o'clock. Okay. So this is about the clock. This way we will know the time from the clock, what the clock is showing. We have to just observe that where is the long hand. If it is in 12 and if it is in 4, then that is 4 o'clock. Simple way we can see. But half past, quarter to, these we will learn afterwards. First, the simple thing that clock is showing 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 6 o'clock, that we have to learn how to observe the clock. Okay, children, so please watch the video so that you also will understand how to observe the clock and how to get the correct time. Okay.